Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay, today is your English class, not maths. Today is your English class. So I'll do lesson number 5. Which is your lesson number 5? See here, lesson number 5, Tenali Raman and the Thieves. Tenali Raman. Yes, those who are not having textbook, due book is there, no, please don't worry, children. If I give homework also, I'll write it on the board. If classwork PDF comes means, okay, any of your English classwork PDF has come, Tenali Raman and the Thieves. So don't worry. So it is there in your classwork. What is there in the textbook, I won't give. I won't give, children. So what is there in your classwork only, I'll give the homework. Okay, children. So take out your textbook. Those who are having textbook, take out your textbook, page number 52. Those who are not having textbook, please listen what I say. Okay, children? So some of the meanings, it is there, no? Just revise, okay? See, Tenali Raman and the Thieves. Tenali Raman and the Thieves. Tenali Raman was a famous scholar and poet. A poet, he'll write the poets and poems. He was a famous scholar, professor. He is a learned man. Professor means scholar means he is a learned person. He knows everything. He has learned many things. He was a jester in Krishna Deva Raya's court. Jester means he was a professional joker. Tenali Raman is a joker. He is a professional joker. There are many stories that tell us about his wit and humor. Here is one story you will enjoy reading. Okay, here one story. See, here Tenali Raman book in the shops you will get, bookshops you will get so many stories. In that story, one part I'll explain in this one story. So, Tenali Raman is a joker. One night before retiring to bed, Tenali Raman saw two men moving out in the bushes near his house. So before going to bed, Tenali Raman, he saw two men moving near bushes near his house. He was sure that they were thieves. He was sure some two men at night when he was going to sleep to his bedroom, two men passed near his window, near his house, near the bushes, trees. So he came to know thieves. Is no Tenali Raman, thief, okay. Tenali Raman thought of a clever plan to catch the thieves. Tenali Raman was a clever man. He was a clever person, but he was a joker also. By joking only, he'll catch hold of the thieves also. He went into the house and told his wife about it. After a while, Tenali Raman said in a loud voice, "Dear wife, always be careful." So he went to his wife, he mummed something, he told in his wife something, but he told, "Dear wife, always be careful." He said in a loud voice. What he told, he went to his house, told his wife about it. First he told very slowly, two thieves are there outside near our house, near bushes. But after that he told to his wife loudly, "Dear wife, always be careful." Loud voice he told, "Keep the doors and windows of the house closed. I have heard that there are many thieves in the city." First he told so slowly, thieves has came. But after that in a loud voice, loudly he told, "Dear wife, always be careful." What he told? Because in the city the thieves has entered. Keep the doors and windows closed. Because the thieves have been entered in the city. Making sure that the thieves were hearing him, he continued. Making sure, because near the window only was talking, close the doors and windows. Thieves have entered in the city. I have heard that thieves have entered. So even thieves should listen what Tenali Raman was saying to his wife. So he was saying loudly. And he continued, "I am really worried about the safety of our precious jewels." Jewels means, you know, gold, diamond, silver, everything. Precious means it's a great value because gold and silver is more costly, yes, no, expensive. It is not safe to keep them in the house. I think we must hide them somewhere. So what he told, because Tenali Raman said loudly, why? Because thieves should hear. He told to his wife, close the windows, doors, and be careful, because thieves have entered the house. And once again, what he told, I'm really worried about the precious jewels, what is there in the home. Whether it is there or not, we don't know. But in this story, he has told we should keep safely. We should hide it somewhere else. Where shall we keep them? His wife asked her. The wife asked her, where shall we keep the ornaments, gold? It's expensive, no? I have kept all the precious jewels in the box. What Tenali Raman told? I have kept all the jewels in the box. Help me to carry it to the well. Well means, you know, near your house. Babi will say no, well. So we will lower it into the well. The thieves will never know. Thieves will never know. Tenali Raman said in a louder voice, but he is a joker. But then too, he has clever idea to catch hold of the thieves. So what he told, in our house there are precious jewels. So we should hide it somewhere because the thieves have entered the city. So he told his wife. So the wife will ask, where shall we hide it? So he will say loudly, put all the jewels in the box and will help me to carry near the well. And he told, we'll lower it into the well. The thieves will never know. Tenali Raman said in a louder voice. The thieves heard all that Tenali Raman said. The thieves heard what Tenali Raman said. Okay, the thieves heard what Tenali Raman said. He told, put all the jewels in the box and we'll hide it in the well. Near, we'll carry, please help me to carry, and we'll lower it in the well, put it in the well. So he and his wife, in fact, had no precious jewels. They are not having jewels at all. But to catch hold of the thieves, they have clever idea. So jewels was not there, no ornaments in their house. But he told lies. But thieves should hear, no? So he said in the louder voice, so many jewels are there. It's all costly. So we'll hide it somewhere. So where they'll hide it? They will hide it in the well. So they thought of a plan. They carried the empty box to the garden and lowered it into the well. It carried in the box. It was nothing. They are not having jewels at all. But simply they carried the empty box and lowered it into the well. Then the couple went back into the house and closed the doors and windows. They lowered it in the well. And what they did, they went back to their house. Tenali Raman and his wife, they closed the doors and windows. The thieves who were watching all this from behind the bushes were very happy. Why thieves were very happy? Because they came to know, because they came to theft in the house, but they don't know where the ornaments were there. So, anyhow, Tenali Raman saw the thieves near the bushes, behind the bushes. So he thought of a plan. He told to his wife that we have to catch hold of the thieves. The thieves are there. He said in low voice. After that, he told, take all the jewels. Jewels were not with him in their house, but to catch hold of the thieves, they told all the jewels, keep it in one box, put it in the well. So they put it in the well, the box, empty box they put, and they came to the house and they closed doors and windows. So the thieves were very happy because they came in search of jewels. But they don't know the box is empty. But they were very happy simply going search because the light will be off, where to search the jewels, ornaments and all. So where to search? So where they feel happy, and because the Tenali Raman, what he did, put all the jewels in box and put it in the well. But jewels was not there. But thief thought jewels were there in the box and felt very happy. We are indeed lucky, said one of the thieves. The thief told, we are indeed lucky. It's a golden chance, said the another. Another thief told, one thief told, we are indeed lucky. The another told, we are golden. It's a golden chance. Then the two thieves slowly crept out of the bushes and went towards the well. They were hiding near the bushes, back of the trees. Near the bushes they were hiding. And after Tenali Raman and wife, they put empty box in the well. But the thieves don't know that it is empty box. What they did after Tenali Raman and his wife went to house and closed doors and windows, the thieves were very happy. Jewels were in the box inside the well. So we both will go and take it. Is a golden chance. Let's draw out all the water from the well. So thief thought they can't jump inside, deep inside the well. So the both discussed, they drew all the water out, draw all the water out from the well. One of the thieves suggested, that's a good idea. The other thief said, it's a good idea. We'll take out the water. We'll draw out the water from the well. So the two thieves started drawing the water out of the well in order to remove the box. So what the thieves did from the well, they drawed all the water from the well. How much water you can take from the house? So they thought to draw out the water from the well. One of the thieves suggested, that's a good idea. The other thief said, to take the box from the well, they thought of a plan to take the water to draw out the water from the well. So the two thieves started drawing the water out of the well in order to remove the box. To take the box from the well, they drew all the water from the well. They spent the entire night drawing out the water from the well and pouring it on the ground. They took all the water from the well to take the box. In the box, there was nothing, all empty box. It was empty box. But the thief thought it was jewel box. So they drew out the water from the well. They poured it on the ground. Tenali Raman and his wife watched all the funny quietly from inside the house. At the break of dawn, Tenali Raman came out of the house. After some time, Tenali Raman came came from house. So the thieves were still drawing out the water, hoping to get the box. Still they were taking all the water from the well. They thought, we'll get the jewel box. When they saw Tenali Raman, they tried to escape. They saw Tenali Raman. Oh, so the owner of the house came. So we'll escape from that. But they were so tired that they could not move. They tried to run away, but they fell down. Because the whole night they were taking out the water from the well, pouring on the ground, once again taking, because they want the jewel box. After when the Tenali Raman came, they saw, oh, the owner came, so we'll run away. But they can't run because they're taking water from the well. It is so time. From the rope, they have to draw out the water. So they felt tired and fell down. Smiling at them, Tenali Raman said, thank you, dear friends, for watering all the plants in my garden. Because the plants were so bushy, they did not put the water at all. So the Tenali Raman did not get angry by seeing the thieves. He told, thank you, dear friends, for watering the plants in my garden. You have worked very hard indeed. You have worked very hard indeed. What do you want me to pay for you for your labor? You have poured all the water to my garden for the plants in the garden. So what shall I pay you? Because you are a worker, labor. So the thieves were too shocked to say anything. They fell at Tenali Raman's feet and begged for his forgiveness. Because they came to take the jewels from the house. They are a thief. But Tenali Raman thought of a plan and they put the empty box in the well. They took all the water from the well, pouring on the ground. So the ground water was there, it went to all the plants. So Tenali Raman came and he told, thank you, dear friends, for watering the plants in my garden. So what shall I pay you? So here Tenali Raman asked for the thieves. So thieves felt very sorry for that and what they did and begged for his forgiveness. Tenali Raman took them to the king's court and told them to promise that they would never steal again. Tenali Raman, when he told, what shall I pay for you? So the thieves told, sorry for this, forgive us. So we won't steal again, we won't do like this. So Tenali Raman, they fell on Tenali Raman's feet and begged for his forgiveness. Tenali Raman took them to the king's court and told them to promise that they would never steal again. When the king came to know that how Tenali Raman caught the thieves and rewarded him with many gifts. So Tenali Raman took to the court to the king and he catch hold of the thieves and he took them there. No. So Tenali Raman caught hold of the thieves and rewarded him with many gifts. So king gave the gifts to the Tenali Raman to catch hold of the thieves. Okay, children. So here I'll end my class. So the next class I'll give you the new types. So those who are not having textbook, please don't worry. Okay, children, please don't worry. You can write it in your rough book. So you can write it in your rough book, children. So yes, here itself I'll give. So page number 55. True or false? Tenali Raman was a famous scholar and poet. True. This is page number 55. Tenali Raman had lot of precious jewels in house. No. False. Tenali Raman lowered the box into the well. True. The two thieves could get the box out of the well. False. The Tenali Raman caught the thieves. True. Choose the correct answer. Tenali Raman was a jester in Krishna Deva's yard. A. Just tick for A. Second one, Tenali Raman carried the box to the garden. The thieves decided to draw out the water from the well. Tenali Raman thanked the thieves for watering the plants. Tenali Raman was a clever man. So here I'll end my class, children. The next class, other new types I will give. Okay, children. So take out your homework book, English homework. English homework. Lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman and the thieves. First main, meanings. Meanings 3 times. First main meaning 3 times. Yes, complete this. Next class, I'll complete other new types, children. Here I'll end my class. Thank you.